Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. You need to start by opening Play Store app and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Following that, from this app you can learn all the informations about your CUBOT dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!